Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to OSP system 9th class senior section girls wing. I am Ms. Rabia Khalid and I am going to teach you the English subject in this session. So let's move to our topic. We are going to study unit number 4 Hazrat Asma Radhiyallahu Anha, week 3 and day 2 lecture 2. So let's move to our course contents. We have done with the comprehension topic in the last lecture and I hope that you have understood the whole topic thoroughly. Today we will do cataphoric and anaphoric references topic, and let's move to this topic. First of all, we need to understand what are the cataphoric and anaphoric references before attempting the exercises and examples. Cohesion, anaphoric and cataphoric. The cataphoric reference is, a cataphoric reference refers to another idea, person, thing that is introduced later on in the text or speech. It is basically talking about the references in any kind of text or speech which is given later. To understand the idea, person, thing referred to by a cataphoric reference, you would need to look ahead in the text or speech. What you need to do, you have to find out where the reference or idea of ideas, person or things are mentioned in any kind of text or speech later. So the later references are known as cataphoric. Anaphoric reference is, anaphoric reference refers to another person, idea, thing that was introduced earlier on in the text or speech. It shows that these shows the references of any person, idea or thing in any kind of text or speech earlier. It shows the earlier references. To understand the unit referred by an anaphoric reference, you would need to look back in the text or speech, same which is mentioned in the cataphoric. So let's move to the examples. Here are the examples of cataphoric and anaphoric references, and I have highlighted the words with colors so that it will be easier for you to understand the concept. Here's an example of anaphoric reference. Michael went to the bank. He was annoyed because it was closed. The he and it pronouns are highlighted over here because they are showing the earlier references. The earlier references, the earlier subject and objects were Michael and bank. He refers to Michael, it refers to the bank. So it shows the anaphoric reference example because they are mentioned earlier in the sentence. And he and it shows these two earlier references. So let's move to next example. Here is the example of cataphoric references, and I have highlighted with the other color as well for your better understanding. Although I phone her every week, my mother still complains that I don't keep in touch often enough. The highlighted pronoun her refers to my mother. You can see that the subject or the object my mother is given later in the sentence and her is given before. So her is referring to the subject object which is my mother, and it shows the cataphoric reference because cataphoric reference shows the later references of any person, idea or thing in a sentence. So mother was mentioned later in the sentence. The book was there on the table. I did never read Moby Dick and I didn't intend to do so now. The book refers to the Moby Dick. You can see that the book is mentioned, the name of the book is mentioned later in the sentence which is Moby Dick, and the book reference is given in the start. So the cataphoric references shows the later references of any subject or object, thing, idea, whatever, whereas anaphoric shows the earlier references. So let's move to our assignment. What you have to do is you have to answer the given exercises which is mentioned on page number 39. I hope that you have understood the topic thoroughly. If you still feel any confusion, please let me know and contact me for further understanding. I hope that you are doing your assignments in time. Please take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.